How to fix Picsart crashing. So the first step is by opening your settings and then go to General, go to iPhone storage, and you should look for Picsart. If you're having a hard time looking for Picsart right here, you may click on the search icon found on the upper right corner of the screen and search for Picsart. Once you can see Picsart, simply click on it and click on Offload App right here, and then simply click on Offload App once again. And what this will do is that it will delete the cache of your Picsart app. And then the app will be refreshed and the bugs might get fixed. However, if the problem still continues, you may just simply delete the app, go to your app store, and reinstall the app right there. So that's it. That's how you can fix Picsart crashing. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.